Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Neo Financial to build credit. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on their official website. So according to them, you have to make your payments on time or manage to pay more than the minimum. So if you make on time payments, it's a crucial factor that determines your credit score. So this is the first tip. The second tip is to spend below your credit limit every month. So know your limit and stay within it isn't quite right. So if you have a credit limit of $5,000, the common advice is to know your limit and stay within it, but this isn't entirely true when it comes to credit. In fact, it's far further from the truth. So you are not actually supposed to exhaust your entire credit limit. So make sure you are spending way below it. The third tip is to let your credit history age. So it is a crucial tip as well. The fourth tip is to limit your hard credit checks. So be mindful of your frequency and the time frame you make your purchases or spend money. So the fifth tip is to develop a credit mix. So diversification is the key. So when using just one type of credit product doesn't negatively impact your score, it also doesn't help you to build it. So you might be looking at larger forms of credit. Lenders want to see that you are able to successfully manage credit products of all kinds. This will increase your credit score. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching. Please leave a like, and with that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.